This is the kind of updates every one of us have been waiting for. If you are on the Blum Airdrop, look at it. 3 days left for drop game. So drop game is closing in, just 3 days left, and this information is today, okay? And that means on Tuesday the drop game will be closed. And if the drop game comes to an end, it means the next thing on the line is probably the TGE, and we'll be getting that announcement maybe next week or upper week, as the case may be. What that also translates into is that if you've not been using your drop game, use it right now. Those passes, ensure you max out everything, because personally I believe the Blum token is going to try, okay, not in the sense that it's going to just pump all the way to the upside, but it's going to try compared to other token that we've seen in the past, especially the Pulse airdrop. And this is very, very important, guys. So if I launch my app right here, it discovered that in recent time I've been playing my drop game and my Blum points have increased significantly. Look at this right here. Right now I have 595k Blum points at this very point, and I am still mining, as you can see right here. And right now I don't have any main point, but I believe by Tuesday I'm going to do a new video on this to show you my main point, because I believe by that time I should have main point, and this my Blum point right here should be up to 700 or 750k, as the case may be. And that is very important. So what that means for me is that I'm going to play my drop game. I have 628 passes, okay, to use to max out in the next 3 days, so that I don't waste this, and I don't want to waste it at all. I want to use this and increase my Blum point right here up to 750 and about that very area, as the case may be. So this is what you must have to do right now. And you notice that the drop game taps have increased, so it ×2 compared to what it was before. That means it's a great opportunity for me to max it out and see what the Blum airdrop is going to turn out to be. Now personally, you may have something very different on the Blum airdrop, because Telegram mini app airdrop have been failing drastically, and this is very, very serious, okay? But the Blum airdrop, like I said earlier, the Blum token is different. If you look at what they've built in the past, the token is going to try, okay? Even though we don't see initial aggressive pump all the way to the upside, in as much as they have a DEX and have planned for the DEX in the future, it means that this very token is going to perform well in the future as well, even though we don't see that aggressive pump in the token initially, immediately at listing. And this is what I am personally looking at, and that is why I want to really max out my Blum point using my drop game right here. All the passes, I want to use everything, and I'm going to show you in my video on Tuesday on how I am able to max out my Blum point all the way to the upside and also use these drop passes. And this is what you have to do as well. If you have a lot of passes for your drop game, do it right now. I think the Blum airdrop is going to try. And lastly is this very area where we have the pre-market. Discover that the pre-market right now is trading at 0.20253. I believe the market is going to move upward, and before listing, okay, which will happen any moment soon, because immediately this is announced, I believe they're going to announce the listing as well, or the TGE, very soon, next week, latest upper week. What I am expecting on this price action is for the market to from here move upward, and before listing I am expecting that the market come back into this very 0.010 area. That means we should see a movement upward, okay, into this very area, okay, prior to listing or before listing. So this is what I am now looking at on this very price action. Markets only have a slim possibility of coming back down a little bit, okay, but I am looking at market moving upward, because if you also look at the overall crypto market is pumping all the way to the upside. There is more optimism in the market than ever before, and right now it also means token on pre-market also have capacity of pumping as well all the way to the upside, and this is what I am now looking at on the Bloom pre-market. My price prediction for Bloom, I want to do a new price prediction next week to tell you what I am now expecting, especially if they give the TGE date or timeline for listing next week, which is very, very important. So this is what you should not be looking at on this very price action for the pre-market. So take your mining seriously right here and do all the tax. Go to end here and do all the tax that you need to do to max out all the Bloom points for this very airdrop. This is very important, guys. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Join our Telegram channel for more crypto updates, news, on-chain data, and many more. Link in the description of this very video. Join right now. It is a free channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.